Founded in 2013 and headquartered in Shenzhen, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. ANTS Electronics Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in road lighting design, development, production, and testing. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our products have obtained CE and RoHS certificates. With 10 years of experience in road lighting solutions, we offer 5 series of products tailored for your road lighting projects. 1. HID lamp replacements, including LED corn bulbs and replacement lamps. 2. LED street lighting, main road LED streetlights, secondary road LED streetlights, courtyard LED lights, and more. 3. LED solar lighting, LED solar streetlights and solar courtyard lights. 4. Streetlight IoT Solutions, featuring the SMACXTY smart streetlight illumination system with related sensors and controllers. 5. Customized lighting, providing custom unique lighting solutions to ensure your unique competitiveness. We understand that lighting fixtures must be practical, cost-effective, and reliable, which is why we prioritize customer-centric product design and development. ANTS is a company that never rests when it comes to products and services.
ANTS Electronics Limited is your trusted partner for innovative LED road lighting solutions. Welcome to visit our factory. Thank you.